In this video, I'm going to show you how to create video thumbnails to get more views. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how just by changing a thumbnail image, I increased the click-through rate of one video by over 387%. So that's over 387% more views. Now, video thumbnails are very, very important when it comes to getting more views, because the more that your video thumbnail stands out and grabs the viewer's attention, it's going to stop them from scrolling and get them to click on your video. And that's what really counts on all social media platforms, especially YouTube. Now, you can do this for free with Canva. They provide ready-made templates, and you can see one right in front of you now. So I've gone into the thumbnail images, and you can see this one here. And this is the one that I can see in front of me now. So we can just edit this. Now, one tip, you don't want to be putting the same text here as you've got in your title. You need something that's going to really stand out with as fewer words as possible. And the words need to be big and bold like this, so they really stand out on the thumbnail image. Bearing in mind, when someone's scrolling, especially on a mobile device, the thumbnail image is going to be quite small. So you can't really be using small text on a thumbnail because they just won't be able to read it. So this is perfect, and I'm going to be creating a thumbnail image for a video titled Good Pop Filters. And it also covers 5 pop filters to avoid using. Just in case you're not sure what a pop filter is, it's the little screen that you have in front of a microphone to stop the plosive sounds when you're speaking. So to create the thumbnail, very, very quick and easy. First, I'm just going to change the text. So here, nice and big and bold, I'm going to put number 1, and then all capitals, best. This bit here, I'm going to put pop filters, or pop filter in this case. And then here I want something else that's quite enticing, or they really want to find out some more valuable information from within the video. So in this case, I'm just going to put +5 to avoid. So if someone sees that, then it's very likely they're going to want to watch it because they won't want to be using the wrong pop filter. So that's the text for the thumbnail image. And then I'll just grab an image, and preferably this would be the person who's actually going to be providing the information in the video. So even if you're not creating a video where someone can see you, it's still very advisable to have a picture of yourself on the thumbnail image. It really helps with grabbing people's attention and getting them to click on your thumbnail image, as opposed to just a plain thumbnail image with no one on it. You just need to remember, people connect with people. Okay, so always good to have a picture of yourself on it, or someone else if you don't want to be using a picture of yourself. And I'll just go over to here. I've got folders saved here where I'll grab that image, so I'll just do that now. And there you go. So now I've got the thumbnail image with the text and the image of the presenter. And then I'll just go up to the top right hand corner, click share, and I'll click download. And I'm going to change this where it's got MP4, change that to a PNG or a JPEG. And then I'm going to click here, uncheck all those, just choose this image here. So this is page 10. So I'm just going to scroll down, page 10, done, and download. Now, I also mentioned at the beginning of the video that I'd show you how I increased the click-through rate of a thumbnail image by 387% just by changing the thumbnail image. So like I said, that's over 387% more clicks on that video, which equals more views. And all I had to do for this was use something called TubeBuddy, and I'll leave a link somewhere around this video where you can sign up for a free account. And then within your account, on the left-hand side, you can see A/B split tests or A/B tests. And all you do is just come over to here, create an A/B test. And then you can simply choose a video which you'd like to run a test on. So you can choose a recent upload, or you can search for a video just by entering the video ID in the search box here. So I'll grab a URL for one of our existing videos now. So I've grabbed the URL, I'm going to paste that in here and click search. And you can see it's this one here. So how to set up a home voiceover studio. So I'm going to click that. And next it'll ask me, what type of A/B split test would you like to run? So you got the option of a thumbnail test or a metadata test, which is like the title and description. So in this case, I'm going to click thumbnail test. So select. Then you can choose a set number of days that you would like this to run for. So you can see it's got 14 days here, or you can run until the click-through rate is statistically significant. Okay. Now this is probably the best option, because rather than just guessing how many days you want it to run for, you're actually leaving it to run to get the optimum results for this test. Okay. So I'm going to click select and then continue. And then this is where you would upload another version of the thumbnail image. So you have the existing thumbnail image, and then this is where you'd upload one that you've just created. So I'll grab a new version now. So I've added that new thumbnail now, and I think you can tell which one's going to win just by looking at them. This is just a screenshot of part of the video, and this is obviously a thumbnail that's made in Canva, far more attention grabbing, really nice and colourful, big bold text, and you've got Peter there with a great expression on his face. and all you would then do is to click Start Test. Okay, so then once that test is run, then you'll see the results of the performance split between the two thumbnail images. And then once you've found the one that works, one that gets the most views, then you just click the button to use that thumbnail image, and that will automatically change for you. So like I said, I'll leave the links for Canva and TubeBuddy within the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or somewhere around the video if you're watching it somewhere else. So you can dive in, start using Canva, start using TubeBuddy, and start creating some really attention-grabbing thumbnail images for your videos so that you can get a lot more views. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.